how to connect or disconnect the AirPods Pro on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then tap on connections, then tap on Bluetooth. Next, to disconnect your AirPods Pro, just tap on the left hand side panel and that will disconnect the AirPods Pro. To reconnect, just tap on that again to reconnect. You can also tap on the settings icon. In here at the bottom, you can tap on connect or disconnect. Now, if you cannot connect it, simply close the lid or close the case and reopen the case. And from there, you should be able to reconnect. Now, it says that connected once the connection is successful. And you can tap on disconnect to disconnect it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.